Alright, so I'm going to finish this all keys lost on this BMW here. It's a 2013 3 Series. I already done I did this the other day, the FEM module, you know, where you read the EEPROM and decode it and then put it back. I did that the other day and then figured out that I couldn't pull the ISN with, you know, with this or a VVDI. So I ended up taking it back to my shop, the DME, and read it with the KES, which was my last video. So I'm hoping that I don't have to do all the FEM stuff again. I think the IM remembers everything and, you know, has unlocked the CAS module, so it should just go right in. So I should just have to enter the ISN to do the key here. And I think my video the other night, I think I pulled up the wrong one. So I'm going to pull up this one. Because I did 63. I started at 63. But after looking at it some more, I'm pretty sure it's this one that starts at, I'm pretty sure it's this one that starts at 44, not the C6 one. Alright. So we're going to try that. It's 448B 2011 D627 84 CA 9EB9 D666 7E 0651 EC. Is that right? That's right. Okay, so let's see if this is going to be it. Okay, so yeah, that is the right one. Alright, so I've got my system here. I've got the ISN entered. I've got the system up here where I can select the spot. So I'm going to go ahead and pick key 3. I'm going to hit lost all keys. I have my key here. It says the key frequency is 315, which, you know, I'm surprised, but I'm going to try. This is the CAS 4 315 key, so we're going to try that one. I thought most of these were 433, but alright, so I'm going to place my key here at the coil. And let's see if it likes this key or not. I'm not sure I have a different key. The only other 315 key that I know of, oh, so it did take. That's good. The only other 315 key I know of is the 2014 and up, but since this is a 2013, I guess it's this CAS 4 one. I guess this is a CAS 4 system and not just a FEM, even though the FEM is what I done. So put to the start, coil, press the ignition switch for 10 seconds, key can work properly. Okay, so let me put that down. I don't know if you can see anything, I guess it doesn't matter. But I'm going to hold the key for 10 seconds. I didn't hit the right button. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 9,000, 10,000. Okay, so that's done. And it's saying that everything should be good. So what turned out to be a 4-part process just turned out to be two processes. Alright, so I'm hitting the unlock, nothing's happening. I'm gonna hit the lock, nothing. I don't know, it says it works. Don't look like it's working. Alright, so I got the battery changed and now everything works. The proximity and the remote. So that is good. It's still not cranking though, so I wanted to clear the DTCs. Let me just do that real quick. And I'm not sure why it's not cranking, but I just want to make sure it's not a key problem. Now, this is a, don't have any history on the car, so could be a problem with the car. So it says it's in transport mode, so maybe I have to turn transport mode off, which they do say that you have to do sometimes. So let's see. Maybe it was an engine. OBD. Auto scan. Alright. There it is. Delete transport mode. So that is done. I'm going to ignition off. Okay. I'm going to ignition back on. And I guess we just do this again. I just want to make sure that gets deleted. The one fault was for the transport mode. I think if that goes away, then we should be good. My voltage is really low, so we are passing all the faults for the FEM, which I'm happy about. Battery voltage is low. I don't know what's going on with the DME here. I ain't nothing to do with anything I've been doing. No message terminal. I don't know what that's all talking about. Let me just delete everything. So these are some problems with the car. I don't know. It's not my problem. DT, yeah. Let's see what this one's got to say. Okay, let's delete that one. See, I thought I did a quick erase. I guess it didn't. I guess it did not do the quick erase like it was supposed to. Okay, we're going to erase one more time. Central fault memory full. No control unit fault. Alright, so that's all done. I'm going to cut it off. And I'm going to cut it back on. I want to see if it cranks now. Okay, so it did crank now. So it must have just been the transport mode that was preventing it from cranking. The rest of that, the other codes, I don't care about those. That's mechanical problem. But that's all done. All keys lost. 2013 BMW. A little bit of a pain since I had to remove the DME to get the ISM, but that's how it goes sometimes. What are you gonna do?